It's a manifestation of commercialization of human rights and justice for sale.
Of 10 magistrates in accordance to Section 78B of the Magistrates Act have been releasing suspects on bail. However, the law also gives the magistrate permission to release someone on a non-cash bail, but in this regard, few suspects have been released on a non-cash bail. It's against this background that the lawyers have petitioned the Constitutional Court seeking to scrap cash bail as one of the conditions for suspects to be granted bail. The petition filed against the Attorney General lawyers say for court to impose on suspects cash bail without first investigating their financial status. This infringes on their rights.
Many people have been granted cash bail, but at the same time they are abscond. They do not return back to court. Therefore, we have other alternatives like the institution of sureties, which sureties actually do sign a bond in case this person escapes or doesn't report back to court. Sureties are made to pay the money. Therefore, the purpose of this petition is to ensure access to bail relief as a pre-trial remedy to all persons, including the poor, and access to justice for all.
Lawyers contend that for court to impose cash bail on suspects, it doesn't only affect their rights, but it's also a root cause for the increasing number of inmates in prisons.
And failure to pay, such a person is taken back into prison pending payment, which unreasonably prolongs his remand or her remand period. Prison congestion, which currently stands at 75,000 inmates, contrary to the approved capacity of Uganda prison facilities, which is 20,000. Therefore, if people are granted bail, such a problem would be at least reduced.
They now want Constitutional Court to declare Section 78B of the Magistrates Act as inconsistent with Article 21, 28, and 126 of the Constitution, which requires justice to be dispensed to all manner of people, regardless of their economic situation.
As far as non-discrimination is concerned, is in contravention of Article 23, Clause 6 of the Constitution. As far as unreasonableness of cash bail condition is concerned, because you don't tell a person that you presume to be innocent, you're granted bail after satisfying conditions, at the same time you be on remand until when you pay such money. But this is akin to paying to the incompetence of the prosecution's office, simply because it's prosecution that delay to bring evidence for this person to be committed to High Court or for the trial to proceed. As such,
other petitioners include Kasule Ezekiel and Kajubi Frank Barnabas, who now want the Constitutional Court to order for the release of all prisoners who on remand for failure to pay the bail money. Deborah Namamonde, UBC News.